Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing the ATEEZ official light stick. I just collected this light stick not long ago and I'm really excited to unbox this because previously I did a video on a ATEEZ light stick that was not the official one, but it was used for official events like M Countdown, etc. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this. If you'd like to watch that video, I will put the links down in the description box, as you probably can't find it in this channel because it was posted up on my backup aka second account. Okay, oh my god, there are actually two stickers. What the heck? I should have just used a scissors to cut it open. It's not gonna be so sticky right here. But I really like the box because it really feels like a treasure. I mean, it is a treasure. Okay. Oh my god, this looks so nice. Wait. Oof. Okay. While I was waiting for my light stick, I actually didn't watch any like ATEEZ light stick unboxing video because I wanted to unbox it myself and experience it myself. That's why I didn't watch any, and it's so cool that I'm actually holding this right now. Oh, there's a sticker. I can't believe there's a tape here as well. Oh my god. Okay. It's such a nice light stick. What the heck? Yeah, I like the fact that they had this keyhole design as the button. It's so beautiful. Can the time thingy work inside? Oh my god, it can. Oh my god, this is so cool, man. If only like I forgot what is that thing called, the thing inside the sand timer thing. If that thing can move, it would be even cooler, I think. From my point of view, I feel like it would be cooler. It makes one team. When the design came out, I was actually really excited because I saw like all these details. Okay, I'm gonna open it out right now. Oh my god, how do you open this? Wait, is this how I open it? I don't want to spoil it though. What the heck? Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let me off the lights now because I'm actually onning the light since it rained just now. Okay. Wow. Oh my god, this feels like a disco light, man. What the heck? So cute. Oh, that's so cool. Wait, it's changing color. It's like red and yellow. Is that orange as well? I don't know, but it's right there. And I have. Wow, that's so cool, man. Oh, that's all. This is so cute. And also it came with a, what do you call this, tag? Came with a tag. Oh, on the lights back right now. Okay, I actually really have no idea what to say about this except for perfection, because I really love this light stick so much, but I don't know when I'm gonna use this. I just got it because if ATEEZ comes to Singapore one day, I'll be able to use it. So I just got it, even though I might not be able to go to the concert anytime soon, but whatever. In case you also like to buy the ATEEZ light stick, I'm not sure if the seller that I got my K-pop stuff from is still having pre-order on that, but you can check on it. She or he is House of K-pop from Carousell. House of K-pop do have a website as well, so if you're not from Singapore, you can actually order from her website or his website, and I will link the website down in the description box below. If you like to order, and if there are still stocks, you can definitely order from the shop, from House of K-pop. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I'll be so happy. So yeah, bye.